Okay, let me progress. Okay, after we insert data into our table, let's go back here. I want to, like a browser, to see all data from here. So how to see all things in here? So you can see in here we have a SQL language, select. Select means to extract the record from your table. Select star means all field from where your table name. So if you in here use a SQL language, select star from your table name is called a member, then go. He will show all things out. So we also can use our new file to try it. The SQL language is to select star from member, but when you execute this SQL language, you still need to connect to your table. So here we have a connection. Let MySQL connect to your local host first and try to login root empty. The database name is ANNDB. So this string is also the same when you use insert into, okay? So here I also connect to our database, and the SQL language will be this one. So save it. This one is HW, or I called a select.php. Save it. So I generate another file and try to connect to our table, connect to our database. And the SQL language will be select star from member. And this one I also use MySQL to query it, to execute it. So save it, test it. But here, don't forget, under this connection, please execute this one, okay? Save it. MySQL, here, execute it. So, localhost. Under here, select the PHP. So you can see, oh, no things out. No things out. Why? In here, if you execute the select, actually, he will do something here. If you execute the select, the query will go to database and extract all things and return back. Because here you don't use any variable to catch it, so he will, gone. So I can use a result to catch it. So in result, he will show the whole table in here. So let's see what inside. So I use a results. RESULT, okay, result, and try to echo result out. So refresh. Can you see that? Error. Why? Why error? Because the object class cannot be converted to a string. Echo only used to print a string or single variable. So I cannot use a use echo to echo this one. That is because the result is a very huge, array in here. So I cannot use echo. So try to use a print R to print all the area out. So refresh. Yeah, so you can see I can get the result, but this one is an object. Object contains a field count. Field count, what is field? Field is how many columns do you have? In here, I have a structure here. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a 6 field, so total 6 field. And the rows, you are 6 record in here, so the number of rows will be 6. Oh, so in here, he just showed the whole field and all record to the result. But I want them to one by one to show up everything. So I need to fetch. I will use a MySQL. I fetch, F-E-T-C-H. But fetch has a lot of style. I will use a ASSOC. ASSOC is means one by one to extract all record out. So under this result, I will fetch the first record out and save to the first row and try to echo row out. So let's go back here. I got the result and try to fetch MySQL. I fetch, F-E-T-C-H. You can see fetch can be array, ASSOC or field or row. In here we use a ASSOC style. Under this result, we catch the first row. Okay, so echo row and refresh. Wow, we have another error. This means array to string conversion. They are something wrong because this row is not a string, so we cannot also use echo to print it out. This one is array. So we still need to try to use a print R to print the record. Refresh. Okay, let's have a BR in here because BR is a string, so we can use echo. So here we can see, oh yeah, your row content CNAME, gender, star, age, message, member ID, and let me try to draw a screen for you. Can see result content a lot of a record, so I use a MySQL fetch associate to extract the first row out. This row is this one, but in PHP this one is called array. So array and what it looks like. Actually in program array it seems like this one, CNAME, and the value is ANN, gender GENDER, value is 1, star 2, age, so on and so on. So the array, this one is called array, and we call this one row. So if you want to try to extract the CNAME out, then you can use under this array. I have an index store called CNAME. You can echo this one. This one will be ANN. So if you want to show the gender, you can use under this array. Please find a gender drawer and echo the value of this one. Okay, so I will go back here, and because every row contains a lot of a drawer, so I can show the name, age, gender, and star sign, and also message. So I can use echo to echo it up. Echo, 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 echo. Don't forget to give a ER semicolon. So, okay, let's go here, refresh. So, oh, I don't have a star sign because I don't have a star sign here. So, star sign, job, refresh. So you can see I get the ANN 1, 3, 1. This is a test. Got it? Should I repeat once again? One more time. First, I will make a connection to link to my database. Then I generate a SQL language with a select to catch everything and use query to get the whole box's result. So result means a whole table will insert into the result. Then one by one to fetch the record. So this statement is trying to extract the first record out. So row is an array content whole field, and one by one to extract the field out. So take a screenshot or you can take a photo. I will give 5 minutes to finish it, okay? So